Morning, all of you. In continuation, let's study multiplication by 10, 100 or 1000. Okay. When multiplying any number by 10, 100 or 1000, simply add 0 to the extreme right of the given number. Understood? Once again, when multiplying any number by 10, 100 or 1000, simply add 0 to the right of the extreme right of the given number. Understood? This one you write in the notebook. Okay. Now let us see how to get the answer. Okay. Here 20 into 10. 20 into 10. See, first you write this number, multiplicand 20, put equal, write 20, then here 1 0 is there now. When we multiply by 10, put 1 0 in the right of the given number. The given number is, that is multiplicand, that is 20. Write 20 first, then put 1 0 to the right. Okay. See, this is multiples of 10. What are the multiples of 10? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 till 90. All these are multiples of 10. Okay. Then 40 into 10. What you will get? 40 right first. Then put this 1 0 to the right. Okay. Then 26 into 10. Write 26. Then put 1 0 to the right. Then 75 into 10 equal, write 75. Then put a 1 0. Okay. If it is 263 into 10, write 263 and put 1 0. Okay. Next, multiples of 100. Multiples of 100. What are the multiples of 100? 200, 300, 400, 500, so on till 900. All these are multiples of 100. 600, 700, 800, everything multiples of 100. When we multiply by 100, put the 2 0. 100 has, see, 100 has 2 0 now. See, 23 into 100 equal. Write this 23. Then 2 zeros are there in 100 now. Put that 2 0 to the right side. Understood? Then one more. $76 into 100, 257 into 100, 5 into 100. How we are getting answer? Write this multiplicand first, 76, then 2 zeros. 257, right? 257, then 2 zeros. Here write 5, then 2 zeros. See, this is the way we are getting answer when we multiply by 100. Understood? Then, how to get answer when we multiply by 1000? Okay. Multiples of 1000: 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000 till 9000. All these are multiples of 1000. Okay. When we multiply by 1000, see, let us see, 29 into 1000, 1000. Write this 29 and 3 zeros. How to read? After 3 zeros, we can put 1 comma. Then this is 29, 29,000. Okay. 81 into 1000 equal. Write this 81 and write these 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. How to read? 81,000. 95 into 1000 equal. Write this 95 first, then 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. After 3 zeros, 3 places, we can put 1 comma. Then easily we can read 95,000. Okay. See here, page number 62. I gave you as homework. Did you do that? Everybody should do without others' help. Say the multiplication tables and do it. Okay. I hope everybody understood. When we multiply by 10, 100, 1000, how we are getting answer. Okay. Here it is. Page number 66. Some questions are given. 143 into 0. When we multiply by 0, what will be answer? 0 is the answer. Answer will be 0. 645 into 1. When we multiply by 1, answer will be the number itself. So you can write the same number as answer 645. Then 25 into 2. See, this one we have studied. 25 into 2 equal 2 into 25. Not the product. Okay. 38 into 9 equal 9 into 38. 84 into 7 equal 7 into 84. So everything you write the answer in the textbook. Okay, write the answer in the textbook. See, what all I have given on the board, you copy to the notebook. Okay, understand and do it. Then let us do multiplication by a 2-digit multiplier. Multiplication by a 2-digit multiplier. Okay, try this heading. (46) into 23. Multiplier is 23. Still we studied by 1-digit number. Okay, now we are studying by the 2-digit number. That is called the multiplier. 46. This is called the what? Multiplication. Already we have studied multiplication. This is multiplier. When we get the answer, that will be product. Okay. How to do it? Don't make any mistake. When you do by the 2-digit number, you do with the unit place to the both number. Okay. This is 3 unit place, ones place. That you multiply these two numbers. Okay. First of all, 3 6 are 18. 1 will be the remainder. Then 3 4. Okay. Some are doing 3 6 are and 2 4s are like that. So you multiply these two digits by this 3 itself. Okay. 3 4s are 12 plus 1. Add this remainder. 3 4s are 12 plus 1, 13. This is the first step. Don't forget this is answer. Then we are having the tens place. That first you do the ones place. So first of all you put 1 0 here. Okay, don't forget. 2 6 are 12. 12. 2 only right here. Then 1 carry to somewhere here. Okay, as remainder. 2 6 are 12. 1 remainder. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9. Okay. 2 6 are 12. 2 1 remainder. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9. Then underline, put 1 plus here. Here 8 0 plus 8 plus 0 8. 3 plus 2 5. 9 plus 1 10. See the number writing, don't write in between. Okay. Then after 3 places you can put 1 comma. How to read? 1058. 1058. Okay. $63 into 25. You can put lines like this. Right into here, not here. Okay, here listen. 5 3s are 15. 15. 5 is here. 1 remainder. 5 6 are 5 into 3, 5 into 6. 5 6 are 30 plus 1, 31. Right full. When we do by the first digit, full answer should be written there. Okay. Then next step 2 into 3. 2 3s are, first you put 0. 2 3s are 6. Then 2 6 are 12. See. Then put 1 plus out. Then add these two lines. 5 plus 0, 5. 6 plus 1, 7. 3 plus 2, 5, 1. You have to read 1575. Understood? 1575. You can see one 3-digit number. $1,138. 83. Here put the into. Okay. Then 3 8s are 24. 24. 4 you write here. 2 is remainder. Then 3 3s are 9 plus 2 11. 1 is here. 1 remainder. Then next place. See, with the 3 you multiply first 8, then 3, then 1. Okay. 3 ones are 3 plus 1, 4. Next with the 10's place. 8 into 8. 8 8s are 64. First 0, 64, 4 right. 6 will be remainder right here. Okay. Then 8 3s are 24 plus 6, 30, 0, 3 remainder. Then 8 ones are 8 plus 3, 11. Then 4 plus 0, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, here 4, here 1, here 1. How to read? This is 11,454. Okay, 11,454. So here it is page number 69. Multiply it. Okay, this page you multiply. Don't forget it. Okay. Okay, this one. Find the product of the following. The A to J. 10 questions are there. That first 4 questions you do in the maths notebook. First 4 questions. Okay. Everybody do it. Now let us finish our class. Tomorrow, not tomorrow, next day let us study problems. Okay. Bye today. Do your work. Okay.